Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
All right, people, it's time for our practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin. It's time to teach you more Hakka right here. And you know, here in Taiwan, we actually use 4 different tastes to sometimes describe our feelings. 其实在这个中文里面呢，常会讲到酸甜苦辣。那虽然它是在描述一些真的我们吃东西的味道，可是有的时候也是在描述一些心情。Yeah, it's like your mood. I have a sweet mood. I have a sour mood. I have a bitter mood, or I have a spicy mood. 可是这用英文讲就很奇怪，所以我们今天讲了也不要去讲心情，我们就是讲只是酸甜苦辣。就是吃东西的酸甜苦辣感觉然后怎么用哈卡讲好了。So we're going to teach you the 4 major flavors and tastes with the Chinese culture, okay? First, let's say 酸 sour. 尤其吃到水果酸的时候很那个口水都会跑出来，对不对？像讲I'm thinking of lemons right now. Okay, let's say it's an orange. 如果橘子吃到酸的就觉得怎么那么酸？这个橘子好酸哦。
呀，嘎妹很酸哦。
很酸就是 very very sour。嘎妹就是橘子。Okay, this orange is very sour。越讲越酸，赶快跳到下一个。好，我们来甜一下好了。It's time to talk about sweetness. Let's say this watermelon is so sweet. 这个好甜的西瓜。
很甜的西瓜哦。
很甜的西瓜哦。Okay, that means a very sweet watermelon. 是有什么东西是苦的？苦瓜。而且很多人喜欢吃苦瓜，越苦越好，对不对？所以这个苦瓜不苦。This bitter gourd is not bitter, all right? 这个苦瓜不苦。
呀，苦瓜不会苦。
苦瓜就是苦瓜，苦就是苦就对了。OK。
那海陆腔，苦瓜，苦瓜。
苦瓜。然后四线。
苦瓜
and finally spicy. You know, people like it hot and spicy. 我喜欢吃辣，怎么说？
爱好吃辣。
爱好吃辣。那如果不喜欢吃辣，像我不太喜欢吃辣。
爱唔好吃辣。
爱唔好吃辣。Okay, that means I love spicy food or I don't like spicy food. Okay, so let's teach those 4 major flavors again. 我们就直接酸甜苦辣这样子4个怎么讲？
酸甜苦辣。
酸甜苦辣。
Yeah!
Okay, so those are the 4 major flavors. All right, that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么大家
And 子 C 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.